Ready to start your career as a mortgage loan originator? Here's exactly how to get your MLO license step by step. Step 1, create your NMLS account. This gives you a unique ID number that stays with you throughout your mortgage career. Next, you must complete 20 hours of NMLS approved pre-licensing education. This covers federal law, ethics, and non-traditional lending. Once your hours are logged, it's time for the SAFE MLO National Test. This is one of the biggest steps in the process. The test is 190 minutes long and contains 120 multiple choice questions. Remember, 115 are scored and 5 are unscored pilot questions. Step 4. Submit your fingerprints for a criminal background check and authorize a credit report. This step matters too because your background and credit are part of the review process. Finally, you'll need company sponsorship as part of completing your state application process. Once everything is approved, you're officially licensed. Now you've got the roadmap and it's time to take action. Subscribe for more study tips and I'll see you at the finish line.